how to make decals in Roblox Mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First things first, open up a Roblox and go to more option and tap on create. Then go to the navigation menu and go to dashboard. There, scroll until you find the development items option, tap on it, scroll down, and then again scroll to the right side until you find decals. Then tap on upload asset, and then you can choose from photo library or take a photo. And once you've done that, you'll have to set up a name and description for your decal, and you have to tap on upload, and then your decal will be sent for review. So you'll have to wait for a few minutes or hours for a decal to be reviewed and uploaded. And that's it. That's how you make decal in Roblox Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video, everyone.